Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Poco F7 so circle search works immediately. Check for a system update and confirm the feature exists in settings. This ensures compatibility. Next, grant camera, location, and storage permissions so the search can analyze images and connect results. Open the camera app, swipe or select circle search mode, and position the object in view. Once done, trace a circle over the target on screen. This tells the system what to identify and narrows search results. Once you've marked the object, you refine the search to get useful matches. Draw a precise circle, not too large, so the algorithm focuses on the subject rather than background clutter. Precision improves accuracy. Tap the search icon and pick a result type, such as web, shopping, or image matches, to tailor outcomes. If results are fuzzy, use the crop and zoom controls to tighter frame the item, then rerun the search. That focused approach reduces false positives and surfaces relevant links and prices. You finish by validating and acting on the circle search results. Scan top matches and open detailed pages to confirm identity, prices, or sources. This prevents misidentification. If results aren't helpful, change filters or draw a cleaner, tighter circle and search again. Small adjustments often fix recognition errors. If problems persist, reboot the phone, recheck camera and location permissions, and update the camera or system apps. These steps resolve most glitches, so circle search runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.